Hey, let me show you how you can inflate your LayOn sleeping pad. The first thing you need to do is to take out your pad and unclip the buckle. Now put your hand inside the opening to align the inner fabric. You should create a clear pathway inside for the air to travel through. To inflate the pad, you're going to open the entrance and blow inside from a distance. Close the gap filled with air and push it forward. You don't need to rush, because the air won't escape that easily. Repeat this step a few times until the last bump is full. Finally, you can close the entrance. Now fold the entrance tight until you reach the white line that has the caption "Fold up to the line." If you're not able to fold up to the line, you can simply release some air. When you're doing so, make sure that the inside bag isn't sticking out. Now clip the buckle downwards. And that's it, you finished deflating it. Now, if you want to deflate your pad, you can simply unclip it. For releasing the air inside, you have two options. If you have your buddy with you, one person can hold the bottom part of the pad and the other can hold it from the opposite side. Now, in this position, you both move further away from each other and stretch it. Due to our innovative deflation system, the pad is going to release all the air instantly. However, if you are by any chance alone, you don't have to worry. The process is simple. You grab each opposite side of your pad and step in the middle. You should put one foot forward and one foot backward. Now, just stretch it apart, leaving the central canal open. And that's it. All you need to do now is fold it up. And voila, you're on your way.